How great to have you up here in the north. How do you like it?
Yeah, it's. I think it's dark. It's quite dark and quite cold.
Yeah,
I'm used to some islands and some better weather, so it's no. Okay, you can imagine.
Yeah. I mean, the end of the year in Sweden, it's kind of dark and cold, but it kind of makes you start thinking about next year, next summer, and all of that, and also what will happen next year. What do you think? Do you dare to do any predictions on the TV industry next year?
I think
I have this crystal ball in case.
Let me shake it. I see a lot of beer, beach.
Some snow?
Yeah, I see snow, by the way, yeah. No, but I think especially from a TV services and platform, we need to do something for the user experience. So customers, the combination of subscription models, the aggregation of different services, I think this will be a key element from a platform perspective to really improve the user experience. Because at the moment, we have a lot of OTT services, but the consumption is going down.
Yeah. So do we aggregate a lot of services in a cost-efficient way, in a way that provides a good user experience?
Yeah,
I agree. That is one thing that we will see more of next year. I think another thing we're going to see more next year is new TV formats.
Yes.
So there's been some experiments already this year with doing more internet kind of optimized TV formats with more interaction and so on, especially in the sports domain. I think that next year we're going to see more of that. We're going to see more TV formats that are designed for streaming and internet distribution from the very start.
Yeah, which brings me to another topic, which is the fast topic. That it's not only from a technical point of view something interesting, also from a commercial point of view, because we only see one major AVOD service worldwide, who is doing a lot of money, which is Pluto TV, thanks to the big mama Paramount.
Yeah. So it will be interesting to see if fast kind of matures and we see how it works commercially and so on, and so on, not only from a technical perspective. I fully agree. Another thing, we're going to see more, I think, cloud production and using internet and gaming technology in the TV industry. So kind of abandoning a little bit the traditional broadcast stack and adopting more simplification and using technology developed by these industries who have been super successful on the internet, like gaming and so on. To use those technologies also in broadcast and in media.
Yeah, the evolution of playout,
Yeah, so that is another thing.
Yeah, which brings me, of course, also to the content delivery part, to the CDN part. You see a price erosion in the CDN industry. A lot of different players are dying, or the market is consolidating. I would love to see, or I would like to see what happens with the CDN market next year. Yeah. And I think that the upper layer setup, in terms of technology, is bringing much more benefit than only caches.
Yeah, I mean, so as volumes obviously go up, and then you have all of these different CDNs, that it's becoming a little bit commoditized and so on. Having more intelligent solutions for how to use that must be...
Yeah, exactly. It's like the cloud production solution you mentioned. So I think,
And then also now when content starts to become even more international, if you will, and we're distributing content across bigger territories, I think we're going to see more needs for localization. Content will travel more than it used to do, and when it travels, it needs to be adapted to the local market.
The automatic adoption of content do a localization setup.
Yeah, exactly. We're going to see more of that as a result of content traveling more and so on. So these are definitely some of the items I think we should look out for next year. So. Yeah. The question is now, so Santa should bring some presents, right? That's what Christmas is all about.
Yeah, but that's your job, not my job. I'm only supporting function here.
So a TV Santa, what kind of presents do you think a TV Santa will bring? What do you think?
You mean from agile content? But
what could this be?
That's a big one. Yeah? So I think it's a TV as a service proposition with a fully fledged operational excellence model for product operations and data. So a data-driven setup, which is super unique.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I mean,
but it's super heavy. Yeah.
It's super heavy. And I wonder what this could be. What do you think this is?
Oh. I can see. Look at that! I can read subtitles.
Yeah, it's text. Yeah, so this is OCR as a service and ASR, automatic speech recognition, turning the audio tracks into subtitles.
Yeah, especially for the European Cup in football, you need that.
Yeah, so that's also a great gift. What more do we have? Let me see. Oh, it's deep. On this. This
Whoa.
is.
This is the Agile TV Lite proposition.
Yes.
Having the possibility to do.
Light compared to the rest. Yeah, it is.
No, but it's. I think it's important in terms of bundling, subscription bundling, but also having an evolution for your existing setup without exchanging the platform
and without having to do a very complicated integration.
Exactly,
Right?
it's super flexible.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Fantastic. And then we have, what could this be? This has something to do with delivery, I think. What could it be?
You think? Yeah.
Yeah, maybe it's a multi-CDN solution with integrated.
It's a
public
multi-CDN solution, with public CDN pre-integrated based on consumption.
Cool. So there's one contract that solves all you need.
Exactly. No commitment-wise consumption that you really use a multi-CDN solution with your public CDNs.
And then there is a
it's
last
amazing.
present, but this one you can't see.
It's in the cloud, huh?
Oh no, sorry. There's two. Firstly, we have this one.
Okay.
This is the virtual channel stuff, I think.
Yeah.
This is to create cost-efficient playout in the cloud, creating TV channels, and do personalized TV channels.
So with one click, one channel.
One click, one channel, instant, and you can use it if you have fast channels and so on.
Well, that's a super amazing evolution of production.
Yeah. But now there's only this invisible product still here.
It's in the cloud.
It's in the cloud.
In which one? It's a multi-cloud, right?
It's a multi-cloud. This is the cloud production solution.
Wow.
That we have. That is so light that you can't see it, and super cost efficient, super low environmental footprint.
And green IT, we are reducing.
Yes, very to do like 90%.
90%.
90%.
Wow.
And also enabling new formats and so on. So if you want to create more.
So we talked about the web technology setup and the gaming industry and stuff like that. Okay, great.
How do you like the wrapping?
Hey, where is the second part of the Swedish broadcast mafia?
The elf?
The elf? Where's the elf?
Yeah, the elf. Magnus. No, Magnus.
Yeah, the man with the hat.
Yeah, Magnus is in Florida. He is not here.
Come on. He's in Florida, I'm here.
Yeah, you were here in the dark.
So we're exchanging roles. It doesn't work.
It doesn't work. So what do you want to do?
But let's go there. I think we should change clothes.
Hold your reindeers for a second. First, we have one message we want to give. So from all of us at the Agile to all of you.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
And don't destroy so much.
And now, let's get rid of this and head south.
And we go and visit Magnus in Florida. You have a nice shirt? Well, you look great, eh?
I have my favorite shirt.
Wow.
All right, here we go.
So we go.